Fujifilm is a brand that carries immediate recognition in the mirrorless camera world. For many photographers, the name evokes a very specific feeling. Retro-inspired camera bodies, solid metal construction, tactile analog dials, and a shooting experience that feels deliberate rather than automated. Added to that is Fujifilm's legendary color science, delivered through its film simulations, which have become a defining characteristic of the brand. Over time, this unique identity has helped Fujifilm cultivate a passionate and loyal community, one that values not only final image quality, but also the emotional connection between the photographer and the camera. Fujifilm cameras are often described not just as tools, but as creative companions. This philosophy is exactly why every new Fujifilm release generates such strong anticipation. And now, with the arrival of the Fujifilm X-Pro6, the latest chapter in the iconic X-Pro series, expectations are higher than ever. The X-Pro line has always represented a different approach to photography. With the X-Pro6, Fujifilm once again challenges modern trends and asks a simple but important question. Can a camera focus on experience and intent still thrive in today's fast-moving, spec-driven market? The Fujifilm X-Pro series has never followed the conventional mirrorless playbook. From the very beginning, it has existed outside the race for headline specifications. Instead of competing directly with high-speed, video-centric hybrid cameras, the X-Pro line has always prioritized craftsmanship, shooting immersion, and a rangefinder-inspired experience. This philosophy began with the original X-Pro1, which introduced Fujifilm's vision of combining classic rangefinder design with modern digital technology. It was a bold move, and one that clearly wasn't meant to appeal to everyone. The X-Pro cameras were designed for photographers who prefer a slower, more thoughtful approach, where composition and timing matter more than automation. As the series evolved through the X-Pro2 and X-Pro3, Fujifilm continued to make deliberate design choices. The X-Pro3, in particular, sparked strong reactions with its hidden rear screen. While controversial, it reinforced Fujifilm's commitment to intentional photography, encouraging users to focus more on the scene in front of them rather than constantly reviewing images. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 builds upon this heritage in a market that now looks very different. Today's mirrorless landscape is defined by rapid innovation. Cameras boast advanced subject detection, powerful autofocus tracking, and increasingly complex feature sets. Against this backdrop, the X-Pro6 must balance tradition with modern expectations. From a design and build perspective, the X-Pro6 continues the series' reputation for excellence. The physical experience of using the camera is central to its appeal. The weight feels purposeful. The metal body conveys durability. The dials offer resistance that feels intentional rather than mechanical. These details matter, especially to photographers who see the act of shooting as part of the creative process. One of the defining features remains the hybrid viewfinder. The ability to switch between an optical rangefinder-style view and an electronic viewfinder is still a rare offering in modern cameras. The optical view allows photographers to see beyond the frame, anticipate movement, and engage with the environment in a way that feels organic. The electronic viewfinder, on the other hand, provides precision and real-time exposure feedback. This duality is not just a feature, but a core part of the X-Pro identity. Image quality is another key strength. Fujifilm sensors are well regarded for their dynamic range and detail, but what truly distinguishes the X-Pro6 is its color science. The film simulation modes are carefully crafted to replicate the tonal response and character of Fujifilm's analog films. These simulations allow photographers to produce images that feel finished straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. Autofocus performance has also evolved to meet modern demands. While the X-Pro6 is not positioned as a high-speed action camera, it offers reliable and confident autofocus suitable for street photography, documentary work, portraits, and everyday shooting. Improvements in subject recognition and tracking help ensure that the camera feels responsive rather than outdated. Usability in real-world shooting is where opinions may differ. The X-Pro philosophy emphasizes physical controls and manual engagement, dedicated dials for shutter speed, exposure compensation, and ISO encourage photographers to actively think about their settings. For those who enjoy this tactile, hands-on approach, the experience can be deeply satisfying. For others accustomed to menu-driven automation, it may feel slower or less efficient. Lens compatibility further strengthens the system. Fujifilm's X-mount ecosystem is one of the most mature APS-C platforms available. It offers a wide range of lenses, from compact primes that pair beautifully with the X-Pro's rangefinder style to more modern optics for versatility. This flexibility allows the X-Pro6 to adapt to many shooting styles while staying true to its core identity. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 is not designed to be a universal solution. It does not aim to win specification battles or replace every camera in a photographer's bag. Instead, it represents a focused vision of what photography can feel like when experience and intention come first. For photographers who value tactile controls, thoughtful design, and a deeper connection to the act of shooting, the X-Pro6 offers something increasingly rare in today's camera market. It encourages patience, awareness, and creative engagement. It rewards those who enjoy slowing down and being fully present with their subject. At the same time, it is important to recognize that this approach is not for everyone. Photographers who prioritize speed, automation, or highly specialized features may find other tools better suited to their needs. Ultimately, the X-Pro6 succeeds by staying true to its philosophy. It is a camera made for photographers who care as much about how an image is created as the image itself. This has been Lenzloop, exploring the Fujifilm X-Pro6.